Thinking about building your business website, but not sure if WordPress is the right choice? If you're a businesswoman over 40 looking for a website that gives you freedom, flexibility, and full control over your online presence, WordPress is the best platform to support your growth. Today, I'm breaking down exactly why WordPress is the ultimate choice for women entrepreneurs and how it empowers you to build, scale, and thrive in your business on your own terms. I'm Malinda, your WP confidant, here to make WordPress simple, stress free, and something you can feel truly confident about. As a business owner, your website is more than just a page on the internet. It's your digital storefront, your brand, and your business's foundation. You deserve a platform that lets you take control of your success. So, in today's video, we'll cover why WordPress gives you full control over your brand and your business, how it saves you money while offering pro level features, and how it grows with you from side hustle to thriving business. By the end of this video, you'll see why WordPress isn't just a website builder, it's an investment in your business's future. WordPress puts you in control. One of the biggest challenges for women entrepreneurs is feeling stuck with the tech they can't control. That's why it's important to understand that when we talk about WordPress, we're talking about WordPress.org, the self hosted version, not WordPress.com. So, what's the difference? WordPress.com is a hosted platform with limitations, kind of like Wix or Squarespace. You don't fully own your site and you have to pay extra for customization and features. WordPress.org is self hosted WordPress, gives you total ownership and flexibility over your website. You control everything from design to hosting to features. So, unlike DIY website builders like Wix or Squarespace, self hosted WordPress puts you in charge. That means no restrictive templates. You design your site however you want, no risk of losing content. Your website belongs to you, not a third party company, and no overpriced plans. You decide how much you spend on what features. So, an example of this would be imagine you build your website on Squarespace, but after a year, you realize it doesn't offer the flexibility you need. You either start over from scratch or stay stuck in a system that limits your business. With self hosted WordPress, you're in control from the start. You're building a foundation. You own your site, your content, and your future. When you start here, you're building a foundation for your website and whatever might come next as your business evolves. And it's budget friendly without sacrificing quality. I get it. When you're running a business, every dollar counts. The last thing you need is a website that drains your budget. With WordPress, you get professional level features at a fraction of the cost. So let's compare. A website builder like Wix charges $20 to $40 per month just for the basic business features. WordPress hosting plus the cost of your domain name is around $10 to $15 a month with more flexibility. Now, I will mention that generally you're going to pay for hosting costs annually for a brand new hosting account. Watch the fine print because year two costs can go up, but that discount in the first year can be really helpful. My preferred hosting provider is SiteGround. I'll leave a link below in the description. Right now, a starter account is $2.99 a month and like $2.99 a month. And then in year two, it's $18 per month. But you can pay this monthly or you can choose to pay it annually. Plus, with thousands of free affordable themes and plugins, you can customize your site without hiring me, an expensive web designer. Example would be instead of paying 50 plus per month for an e-commerce plan somewhere, WordPress lets you use WooCommerce for free. You get high end features without high end costs. So you can invest in what really matters growing your business. And WordPress is going to grow with you from side hustle to full business. Many women entrepreneurs start small with a side hustle that turns into a thriving business. WordPress is built for a long term success and scales as your business grows. Start simple, then expand your site with e commerce so that you can sell products, courses, or service. You can integrate a booking system, perfect for coaches and consultants or service providers. And you could even grow into a membership site and online courses to create passive income streams. A consultant can start with a simple portfolio site, then add a blog, email list, or digital course over time, all on the same platform. WordPress grows with you, so you never have to switch platforms or start over. It's community driven, help is always available. And when you are ready to hire a web designer for the next phase of growth in your business, you'll always be able to find a WordPress web designer. You're not alone in this. One of the best things about WordPress, there's always help when you need it. Resources available to you include free tutorials or forums. You can Google almost any WordPress issue and find a solution. There's supportive communities, Facebook groups, online forums, and courses designed for WordPress users and affordable WordPress experts. If you ever need custom help, there are plenty of options. So instead of waiting on slow customer support from a website builder, WordPress lets you find instant answers and solutions from experts and fellow entrepreneurs. With WordPress, you're never stuck. Help is always within reach. So let's recap. Why is WordPress the best choice for women entrepreneurs? It gives you full control over your brand and business. It's cost effective without sacrificing features. It scales with you as your business grows. It has strong community support, so you're never alone. What's your biggest concern about building a WordPress site? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help. If this video made WordPress feel a little less intimidating, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that we can keep tackling tech together. Remember, progress over perfection, one step at a time. You've got this.